Hi guys. Today I want to talk to you about developing your customer for your big landscaping project. I want to do it here at my desk. I'm in here watering plants and taking care of things, so I thought I'd do it here from one of my favorite places on the planet. This is the start of the big project, and we talk in all my classes about if you want to be successful in this industry, you have to do a couple of things. And when I say in this industry, it could be in landscaping, it could be in floral design, it could be as a grower. You really need to know your customer, and you need to do something to set yourself apart from other people in the business in order to be successful. And my suggestion is have that be how well you develop relationships with your customers, that you can take your skill set, you can take your style, and you can truly make your customer feel heard and happy, that those two things come together, that their needs and wants and desires match up with your ability to produce something beautiful for them. So in order for you to do this project, we're gonna have developing your customer be both the starting point and the ending point, kind of like we talked about genius loci and respecting that spirit of the place, that you start there and you try to end there. So the first thing you're going to do with the big project is do a write-up for me and introduce me to your customer. And when the project is done, you're going to do another write-up for me, and you're going to tell me what you created for your customer and how it fits their wants, their needs, their budget, and their personality. So you'll find you're going to use a couple of tools to do that. I've got a bulleted list for you on the classroom assignment. I want you to make sure that you can identify all those things about your customer. And then you'll also have the customer survey that I handed out to you before we left school, and you can use that as well. I don't care who your customer is, and I don't care where your customer lives. That's up for you to decide. You can interview someone that you know and use that as your basis for your customer. You can talk to a friend, you can talk to someone else in class, and that kind of works really well sometimes, especially when we're in school, where you can talk back and forth as you go along the process. Or you can just invent someone invent someone creative. Or you can have it be yourself. You can say, I'm doing Liz Collinsworth. I could say I'm doing Liz Collinsworth's landscape, and she lives here, and she wants this, and it can all match me perfectly. The goal is not how you pick the person, but that you pick the person and that you define them really well. And the other thing is not just the person, but where the property is. So as you know, depending on what region of the country or region of the world you pick to do this project, a lot of the plants and the things that you're going to be able to use there are going to be dependent on where you're located. So you're also going to be picking an address. That's really important. If you want to use tropical plants, you better not pick Langdon, New Hampshire as the address for your landscape, and vice versa. But it gives you a lot of flexibility and the opportunity to be really creative, not just in what you're drawing, but also in what you're researching about plants and how you can put them together. So hopefully this will help kind of support the written pieces of the assignment. As always, call me or email me or send me questions in whatever way works best for you. And this is the fun part, when we really get into it. We've been doing a lot of practicing, and now we can really get into the meat of our big project. So looking forward to seeing who you come up with and what you can create for them. Okay, have a great day.